Yeah. Rockefeller, y'all. Damn. Rockefeller, y'all.
Greetings, everyone. I'm Cleo Cartel, the creator of Time to Launch. Time to Launch is an amazing Black women's incubator. We supply all kinds of support for women entrepreneurs, women that are starting startups, launching their business or relaunching. We are incredibly excited about this program that we have started this time around, which is our funding project. And what is happening is we would like to raise up to $100,000 to fund most of the people in the incubators, relaunches, startups, and we would also like to take another remaining of the balance and purchase a building or lease a building so that we can manufacture, we can co-op, and we can retail all of the things that we design and desire.
Hello, my name is Takara Johnson. I'm a co-founder of the West to West movement, which is a social organization that aims to exchange resources, culture, and education from the West Coast of California all the way to the West Coast of Africa. We serve 100 kids a school year, Saturday school that happens special third Saturdays, and we orchestrate annual trips back to the motherland for all Black people.
So I'm the founder of Multiculturalism Rocks, which is a website where I promote cultural diversity in the arts, and especially in children's books. I have a passion for storytelling, and I think that our work today needs more representation when it comes to how diverse our cultures are and we are. So once the first Saturday and the third Saturday of the month, I'm at the African Marketplace where I sell multicultural and bilingual books, especially children's books. So I bring a table, I have a chair, and then I have a selection of my favorite books, and every time there is a rotation. So when I sell out of a title, I get points. I have a special passion for working with small presses and independent authors because they produce wonderful books and stories, but usually they don't have the marketing budget, to be able to put the word out about what they're doing. So when I can, I review the books, the ones that I really like, I write a review about them, and then I try to purchase them so I can share them with my local community. I do school visits, I go to other festivals and market fair, and right now also I'm setting up an online shop, so all those books will be available in one place online, and then you'll know that the people who produce them are getting a fair pay also for what they're doing.
Hi, my name is Dana Maisha. I'm here in Nubian Family Beauty Supply, Black-owned beauty supply company that is here in Sacramento, California, 2251 Florin Road, Sacramento, California, 95822. I'm also the founder and director of Escape Velocity Resources Foundation, Inc. And our most prized program is Boys in the Hood Book Club. It's a literacy program for African American males. Ages 8 to 12 is our target, although we take them younger and older. But literacy is our goal.
Hello you guys, my name is Ja Hicks. I'm an accessory designer. My website is indigoqueen.shop.
My name is Nikema Prophet. My company is Pop Schools. We're creating 21st century learning labs for children in spaces that include the real world of work. That is co-working spaces, corporate campuses, tech conferences, and tech meetups.
Hi everybody, this is Phoenix Rain. I am the founder of the newly launched Infused Healing product.
My name is Tia Williams. I'm the co-founder of West to West Movement, a platform that aims to facilitate the exchange of resources, education, and culture between Black and African folks on an international level, and focusing on those of us here in California and those of us in West Africa.
I would think that if I had resources, the actual startup capital that I needed and the space to work out of, that I would be able to get through the testing, the first test of demands and the efficacy of what I'm doing, instead of just working on trying to stay alive and trying to have enough to get started properly.
Because we don't know, we don't have the connection with, the right groups of people. That's why I thought that having a collective somewhere that you come together and you're able to meet and greet different people that have different access, different avenues that you can travel. So I just really think it's an education and knowing the right people. It's a network.
Right.
Yeah.
We would have liked to be able to go out and obtain loans, but we didn't. What we did was we pulled our resources initially. We all pulled our resources. So this business is comprised of 3 partners, myself, Faith, and Anissa. And what we did literally was we pulled our resources together to start the business initially. However, the opportunity came for us to expand within 6 months of us opening. And so one of our partners, Faith, her husband just came in and gave us the loan that we needed to get what we needed to do. So had it not been for that, I'm not sure if it would have been so easy for us to do this.
So actually you're saying access for Black women entrepreneurs, money-wise, is very difficult to obtain.
Yes.
To be very honest, it has been quite hard to obtain resources. And the only resources that we've had have been at the hands of other Black women or other Black people who understand the importance of Black people having resources. We are community funded and community based. So there are no large bodies of funding that fund our program. We are completely fundraised from the ground up, grassroots organization. All of our resources come by the hands of our parents and whom we serve, or the local people in the African marketplace who kind of see our need and make themselves a resource.
We have been limited to that, to what we have. And so, for instance, we're planning a trip to Ghana this December 24th. We depart very soon. We're still having to raise money for that because folks don't just have it, to give readily. We have been planning this trip from the ground up. We are not being paid to do so, and so the monies and the funds that we're raising are to be able to fund our travel expenses and be able to continue to get the supplies and everything we need to go on to this trip, especially as we feel like our business structure, there's a lot of knowledge and information that we don't know, that we recognize that we have to learn, that we have to get. And so I would say it's not a challenge that we can't overcome, but it does require for us to have more support, more education, more access to it.
It's amazing to be part of a group of women who have different dreams, but the same dream. A dream of happiness and wellness and fulfilling lives.
I love it. I find it really, really helpful. I'm learning a lot of new things. I'm really happy to be able to have met you, and I follow your site, and it really gives me more insight on things that I need to do and holding myself accountable for certain things. So I'm really enjoying it and seeing other people's different, things that they have, whether they're jewelry or even their thoughts and processes on how they're doing things.
Time to launch it came really on time, in divine timing, because just as Black women, it's a different experience when you're supported by your own, you're supported by other women of color and people who are in business and trying to do something to make an impact in this world. So a lot of the time that I've spent, I'm not naturally business-minded or entrepreneurial, so a lot of the time that I've spent in this space has been with me being the one of a few Black people.
When I say sustaining ourselves, I mean not having to go to a 9-to-5, run home, run a business, take care of our family, and then do it all again. I find mentally that was too draining to actually have the kind of success that you need to really sustain employees, launching a bigger platform. And so I just decided that there needed to be something done. So I decided to start Time to Launch. And here we are, being the creative director of Yummy Goods and doing all of the mixology and creating all the natural and vegan things that we need to do. It's just important that I had a support system. And through the years I built one, but it would have been nice to just have it in place. So here we are, Time to Launch.
cause you can't knock the hustle.